Low tide, white bones of the harbor, houses shrink to salt-stained dots. Ice in the eddies, rigid and shining. Your name gets lost in my thoughts. Wind writes cursive across the channels, frost on the window of the world. Over West Island, I am weightless, frozen wings above the foam. All this wide winter silence, and I'm the only moving soul, drifting slow past empty beaches. Every road is made of snow. Gulls turn small, just ash in the distance. Buoys locked in collars of glass. Old piers sleep like rusted anchors. Year by year they outlast the past. Clouds like armor along the skyline. Sun a pale coin in the haze. Over West Island, I am weightless, frozen wings above the foam. All this wide winter silence. What the fuck is that island? Fog on the water, still cold in the middle of summer. Shivers I can't explain, but I feel stone on the shoreline. Dark grass, no lights on. Looks like a castle or a mansion. Every window like an eye staring on. Who built that place? Who sleeps inside? Every wave that breaks sounds like coming home. What the fuck is that island? Is that a castle or a mansion out there? All secluded, surrounded by ice, like a frozen lost nightmare. If I roll any closer, will it pull me under or in? What the fuck is that island? Feels like it's waiting for my sin. Oh, steps carved in granite, leading straight into the deep. Gate half open, rusted like it's tired of keeping secrets. It keeps my breath on the air now. Little ghosts in the blue, I swear I hear my name echo off the walls I turn back or cross that line, every crack in the facade, it spells out your mind. What the fuck is that island? Is that a castle or a mansion out there? All secluded, surrounded by ice, like a frozen lost nightmare. If I roll any closer, will it pull me under or in? What the fuck is that island? Feels like it's waiting for my sin. Yeah. Maybe it's heaven for the heartless. Maybe it's makeup for the scars. Maybe it's every wish I buried, built into walls under frozen stars. I'm stuck here on the shoreline, afraid and a little enticed, calling it crazy, calling it nothing, but I keep staring at the eyes. What the fuck is that island? Is that a castle or a mansion out there? All secluded, surrounded by ice, like it froze in a lost nightmare. If I step any closer, will it pull me under or in? What the fuck is that island? Feels like it's carved